Za Luko Dončićem je še en čustven večer, šele drugič po lanski šokantni menjavi se je namreč vrnil v Dallas.
Tudi snežni meteži in izredne zimske razmere navijačev niso ustavili, da bi prišli pozdraviti svojega ljubljenca.
Luka.
Wanted to see some Luka.
This is my son. This is his Christmas present. He wanted to see Luka.
It's inside. We're going to go see Luka today.
In Dallas.
Luka's inside.
Yeah.
I'm Jonah Javat.
Say, welcome back, Luka.
Come back, Luka.
Yeah, I mean, definitely. Like I always say, this is a special place for me. It's like when I went from Slovenia to Madrid, left my house. Every time I came back, I was happy. So always a special place for me.
Da je ljubezen oboje stranska in da bo mesto v Teksasu, kjer je preživel 7 čudovitih let, vedno imelo posebno mesto v njegovem srcu, odkrito priznava tudi Luka Dončić.
There's still emotions, trust me, but a little bit better, a little bit easier for me. Obviously, like I said before, how the fans accept me here, it's unbelievable. I still got a lot of friends here, players, some other people, so I'm happy to be back a little bit.
Tokrat je bil obisk sicer nekoliko manj stresen, a kljub temu še vedno ni bilo vse povsem na svojem mestu.
I remember first time I was here, I wanted to go into the locker room. I forgot it was all the way down there, the visit team. And I think today at halftime I was going to the other tunnel, so I was kind of confused.
Po tekmi ni skrival zadovoljstva ob novi pomembni zmagi Lakersov, pri kateri je slovenski zvezdnik prispeval 33 točk, 11 asistenc in 8 skokov.